Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Tricks. Today we will be teaching you certain secrets of the laptop's touchpad. Yes, a lot of people are unaware of the correct use of the laptop's touchpad. We usually have the assumption that the features which are available on a mouse, like scrolling up and down with the help of a wheel, or zooming in or zooming out, this can also be done with the help of this touchpad. So let's get started to learn these secrets. The very first thing we will be teaching you is how to scroll up and scroll down. We usually scroll up and scroll down in the mouse with the help of a wheel, but over here, how we can do, I open this page, and if I want to scroll down, I will just use these two fingers and move it upward. It is just like the touchscreen that you use on your mobile phone. You move it upward and then move it downward. It's as simple as that. This exactly works as your wheel that you use in the mouse. It's very simple. Okay, so the second trick that we are going to learn over here is zoom in and zoom out. How you can zoom in and zoom out on a laptop with the help of your touchpad. Okay, so what we will be doing, you open images and then scroll down, and to zoom in, just use these two fingers, and just like you zoom in on your mobile phone, it's just similar to that. You zoom in and you zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. You can also make use of your thumb and your index finger, just like you use it on your mobile phone. This is how simple it is. Yep. Okay, so this was the second trick, that was zooming in and zooming out. Let's move to the third one. The third trick is how to minimize a page. So what we do, we usually use the cursor and we move over here to minimize the page. But what you can do, with the help of your laptop touchpad, you just have to make use of these three fingers and scroll down, minimize. And to maximize, with the help of the same three fingers, pull it upward, you get your you get your page. If you want to minimize, again, down, maximize, up. This is how simple it is. You don't have to move your cursor to the minimize icon and minimize it. You can just make use of this trick and make your work easy. So this was the third trick, and let's move on to the fourth one. Fourth one is this is basically for people who do who tend to work with a lot of tabs, and how you can easily manage n number of tabs. For example, if your work is to if you simultaneously want to work on two different projects, so every project has has 5 to 6 different tabs, and you do not want to mix the tab of two different projects. So what you can do here is you minimize the window, and now with the help of these four fingers, you just have to scroll up. Sorry, only three fingers got touched. With the help of these four fingers, okay, yes, when you swipe up, you will find all the tabs that are open on our laptop. So this is the first view. And for example, if you want to start working on a next project, you don't want the tabs of the next project to get mixed in this. All you have to do is four fingers, swipe it towards the right. You will easily find a new desktop over here, and here you can open all the new tabs and work on the other project of yours. So to minimize this, four fingers, minimize it. To maximize that, again four fingers, minimize it. Okay, and the last trick over here is if you want to switch between your tabs, you can easily do that. These three fingers, swipe it, keep it on the touchpad and swipe it like this towards the right. You can see all the tabs that are open on the laptop. So for example, we were seeing the images on the laptop, and now just keep holding it, and now I want to go and check my downloads. So with the help of my index finger, I can even shift the tabs. I can open Paint, I can open downloads. So if I want to open download, I select download, or if I want to open download, I select download and I leave. Similarly, again, if I want to open the images, I just, with the help of my index finger, I can select whatever tab I want. I open images. That's it. This is how simple it is. So dear friends, hope you all found this video helpful. Do share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Tricks. And also do let us know in the comment section what are your views on it. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.